She sounds like an angry bird. Wait. Hold on. Pause. Let me see if I can imitate an angry bird. I have to listen to one first though. Wait, there has to be more than just this one, right? Let's try the other ones. Wait. Wait. Oh my god! I'm glad I came to this stream. Work was stressful and this changed my mood entirely. Let's go! Wait, why am I actually kind of good at this? Why am I actually kind of good at this? Jay Oliver, thank you so much for the 1 gift of membership. Oh shit, I almost choked.